Presenting the rose gold Reverso. Look at that. The back automatic winding movement is visible to you when you flip it over. You can leave it like that so you can display to everybody. How many watches do you have that have the clear case back, but nobody ever sees it? With the Reverso, you can display it anytime. The cool thing about this watch is when you flip it back over, you reveal so much of its character. This watch is loaded with features. You have the day-night feature, the GMT hand, the day-night feature here, and then the GMT hand here. So you can monitor 2 different time zones. It's absolutely a beautiful watch. Find it at SwissWatchExpo.com. I want you to see all of the details. It's just a gorgeous piece. It's a Wempe. See, it's got the Wempe name on there from the original jeweler. Find this Reverso at SwissWatchExpo.com. This is a men's piece. It looks very handsome on the wrist. You see?